This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the exact presentation slide where the video belongs. This ensures embedding and timing are immediate. Once done, go to Insert and pick Screen Recording so you capture only the targeted area. Use the crosshair to draw the recording rectangle. This saves time and reduces editing later. Make sure audio is enabled if you'll narrate, and enable Record Pointer to highlight clicks. This combination gives you a clean clip, embedded directly on the slide ready for trimming. Now focus on control and capture. Choose full screen or a custom region depending on whether you need context or detail. Before you press record, verify microphone input level so your voice is clear. Low levels make audio unusable. During capture, use pause and resume to avoid long edits and watch the small control dock for elapsed time. You can also use the Win+Shift+R shortcut to start quickly. These steps reduce retakes and keep your footage professional and efficient. Finish by trimming and exporting. You can right-click the embedded video and choose Trim to cut pauses and prep the final clip. Once satisfied, use File Export Create a Video and pick Resolution to produce an MP4 that plays outside PowerPoint. If audio failed, check microphone permissions in the OS, ensure the correct input is selected, and restart PowerPoint. A quick retry fixes most capture issues. Finally, re-record only the short missing segments and replace the clip on the slide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.